These are the days you dream about when you're shoveling snow and the wind chill is below zero. 80 degrees is, well, just on the horizon, not very far on the horizon, because right now we're at 78 in Grand Rapids, and this will be the first day that we do hit 80 since all the way back to October 9th. Without further ado, let's take a look at all the sunshine out there looking north out of Grand Rapids. Not a cloud in this view, but I think we'll end the day with just a few clouds streaming in from the west. Temperatures, look at that south wind just surging that warmth northward. Even Marquette at 72 degrees, they still had, I think, 4 inches of snow on the ground yesterday. Goodbye to that. And 80 degrees in Alpena coming off in April. That gave them over 30 inches of snow. I bet they're pretty happy up there as well. Here's a 24-hour temperature change. Notice where the yellows are, oranges. That is where temperatures are warmer right now than they were yesterday, and as much as 15 degrees warmer in Grand Rapids. And I showed you this yesterday as well, where we were warmer than the previous day, and yesterday ended up above average at 73 degrees, at least in terms of the high temperature, and we're far going to exceed that. We already have. The wind speed out there, 17 miles an hour out of the west-southwest, 24 in Holland, 23 in Muskegon, in combination of that very low humidity level. The fire threat is way up there. We do have a fire red flag warning out today. Essentially, just don't burn, because a fire with that kind of wind and low humidity levels will spread very quickly. Now, off to the west, eventually some relief from the dry conditions. Could use a little bit of rain out there. Today, the rain's going to stay off to the west. You can see a band of showers out there throughout eastern Iowa into central and western portions of Wisconsin ahead of this cold front. This is going to be the zone of activity. I think a couple of those will form off to our west tonight, and watch as they shift eastward. We lose the instability. They cross Lake Michigan, and they'll be in a dying out mode by tomorrow morning. Could you need the windshield wiper? Yeah, it's a possibility. I think the better chance of any shower will be later tonight, especially north of Grand Rapids. The heavier rain is going to stay north of Grand Rapids throughout northern lower Michigan. Now, as we zoom in a little bit and keep this futurecast going, we'll see more clouds tomorrow. Occasional showers possible. Most of Wednesday appears dry, but Wednesday night into Thursday morning, look at this. Another mass of showers and thunderstorms will form to our west, and I think this one has a much better chance of surviving right in through later Wednesday night into Thursday. And notice where you see the reds, certainly heavy rain and probably some thunder and lightning to possibly greet us on that morning commute on Thursday. Now, in terms of severe weather, boy, it's been a lackluster year so far, at least here in the Great Lakes, because of all the cold we had in April. But we have to start thinking about that now, those showers and thunderstorms. Today, it's going to be to our west, but the marginal risk does move over us for Wednesday. Again, mostly Wednesday night, a better risk of severe weather over the next several days to be west to southwest of us. Okay, 8-day forecast. The forecast models actually give us a healthy dose of rain, about 1 to 3 inches, maybe even isolated 4-inch amounts through the span of tonight all the way through Friday morning. And temperatures, nice to see that they actually stay relatively mild right on through the stretch. Our coldest high temperature at this point is 68 on Friday. Wow, that is a big change.
Boy, we do need that rain, though.
We certainly do. We do, and I'm going to take a look back at April so we can really appreciate this warmth, because it was
I'm not sure
quite
too many
an
people
April.
want you to look back at that.
I know. That is true.
We want to forget it.